In this video, you are going to see how to make all pictures to the same size at once in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose picture of your choice. Select this one and hold down the Control key. Select this picture, this one, this picture, this one and this one also, and click on Insert. And here you will see the picture is in various sizes, various aspect ratio. Now press Ctrl A to select all of the picture and click on right button, go to Format Object. Then go to over here Size and uncheck the aspect ratio, and let us change the height to 3 inch and width to 3 inch. And here I have changed the picture size. Now put it in your PowerPoint like this, and here you will see I have changed the size add-ons very easily. Now you can keep it anywhere in your PowerPoint. Now if you want to give some border color, this is also possible. You can give it from here. If you want to add some effect, this is also possible. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.